Unraveling Slang. The meaning behind knock boots. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and slightly quirky phrase in English, knock boots. This is a slang term, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances and informal aspects of the English language. Let's get started. Knock boots is a slang phrase used to describe the act of engaging in sexual intercourse. It's important to note that this term is informal and should be used only in casual settings. The phrase is somewhat euphemistic, meaning it's a less direct way of discussing this topic, often considered private or sensitive. The origin of knock boots is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have emerged in the late 20th century. It's thought to refer to the idea of people's feet or boots knocking together during sexual activity. This term is a good example of how slang can develop from literal descriptions to more figurative uses. Knowing when to use slang like knock boots is as important as knowing what it means. Since it's a casual and somewhat cheeky phrase, it's best used in informal settings among friends or peers. It's not appropriate for formal contexts, professional environments, or with people you're not close with. Let's see some examples of how knock boots can be used in sentences. 1. They've been dating for a while now, and rumor has it they've started to knock boots. 2. This movie is pretty explicit about the characters knocking boots. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, knock boots. Remember, understanding slang is a key part of grasping any language, but knowing when and how to use it is equally important. Hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.